Tamil Nadu has moved the Supreme Court challenging a Madras High Court order that imposed a blanket ban on the slaughter of cows and calves in the state. The High Court, in its May 27th order, directed the Chief Secretary and the Director General of Police to ensure that no cow or calf is slaughtered on Bakrid or any other day. The order was based on a 1976 government directive intended to protect milk production and support the rural economy. The Tamil Nadu government has argued before the Supreme Court that the High Court's direction is contrary to the Tamil Nadu Animal Preservation Act 1958, which permits the slaughter of cows above 10 years of age if they are unfit for work or breeding. The High Court order was issued in response to a public interest litigation filed by Surya Prasanth of the Hindu Makkal Katchi, who had sought restrictions on calf slaughter and demanded that it be carried out only in designated places. The matter is now set to be heard by the Supreme Court, where it will be decided whether the Madras High Court order will be upheld or whether the Tamil Nadu government stand will receive legal protection. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.